Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're talking AI agents, specifically AutoGPT versus Crew AI.
So let's kick things off with a big question. What if software could just do things for you?
Well, that's the whole idea behind AI agents, software that works on its own, no hand-holding needed.
So what makes them tick? Three things. They're autonomous, goal-driven, and they learn as they go.
All right, let's start with AutoGPT. Think of it like a solo agent, a single expert on a mission.
It's an open-source tool that uses powerful GPT models to tackle tasks all by itself. You give it a big, high-level goal, and it just figures out all the little steps to get it done. Okay, for example, say you want a website that shows the latest tech news. How would it do that?
Well, it would first research the news, then write the code, push it live, and finally check its own work.
But what if one agent isn't enough? That's where Crew AI comes in. It's all about teamwork. With Crew AI, you can build a whole team of AI agents. Each one has its own special job.
Think about something bigger, like launching a marketing campaign. You'd need a team for that, right?
So one agent does the research, another writes the content, and a third handles the social media posts.
So you can see the big difference, right? AutoGPT is a solo act. Crew AI is a full-on team effort.
Okay, cool, but why should you care? Well, there are some pretty big benefits here.
For starters, they save a ton of time. And since they're scalable and always learning, they're super powerful. Of course, it's not all perfect. With this much power, you've got to be aware of the risks. Mainly, they still need a human watching over them. For security, for accuracy, you're still in charge.
All right, time to wrap this up. Here's what you really need to remember.
Bottom line, these agents can get stuff done on their own, but a human still needs to be in the loop.
So if you're feeling curious and want to try this out yourself, here's how you can get started.
You can start small with AutoGPT or build a team with Crew AI. Just get your hands dirty. Which leaves us with one final thought. Is your next big project going to be run by an AI crew